Hi, my name's Tim Tebbe with English Construction. We're out here working at the E.M. Johnson Water Plant, Raleigh, North Carolina. Right now, during this time, we are decommissioning water basin number 3. To do this job, we're operating a Link-Belt 348 lattice boom crawler crane equipped with a 140-foot main, 180-foot luffing jib with an 80-foot fixed jib on the end of it. To complete this job, we have to reach anywhere from about 175 foot to 294 foot. In the decommissioning process, we picked out a rake that cleans the water through the basin. The basin is 200 foot by 75 foot. I believe the bridge was 70 foot. It weighed, I believe, 18,200 pounds, and we picked it at, I believe, a 240-foot radius. All right, we picked it from the initial point in the basin, swung it around to location where we set it down so the demo guys could cut it up and dispose of it. The 348's good for this job because it gives us enough capacity and reach to complete all the tasks that we need to complete out here. I've been in it for 6 months. I want to say 1,200 hours. It's been performing great. Assembly is pretty easy. Everywhere from the pennants to the counterweight tray, everything goes quick. They did a good job. The lighting's good. It's equipped with super bright LEDs on the front side that lets me see everything I gotta see. Camera views are real good. It's equipped with, I believe, 4 different cameras, crystal clear on the screen. Crane walks super smooth, cuts good. It's a little tough with all this in it, but it does what it's supposed to do. When we picked the rake, everything was smooth. LMI read right, boomed up smooth, luffed up smooth, swung smooth. It's top notch. We've pick and carried with it multiple times, and depending on what it is, you don't really even feel it. We've taken loads, even 40, 50 foot, pick and carry, swing at the same time. Everything functions perfect. Fixed jib is good in any configuration similar to this. Line pull's been great, the speeds are great, it's well designed. Winch functions are good, the variation between speeds works great, indicators work all great, everything that connects to the LMI, I mean, everything reads perfectly. You really can't ask for much more. It's a great machine. I'd recommend the Link-Belt 348 for ease of assembly and disassembly and perfect function as you're working. Swing function's really good. With the pump accelerator on the swing handle, you get in that sweet spot and it couldn't be any smoother. Even in winds, even at idle speed, you swing into the wind, it'll move. Winch controller's good. We move everything from 1/4 inch to high speed at almost 250 foot up. I believe that they did a great job designing it. It works good. The 348 is a good choice for a lattice boom crawler, and for what you get, it's great. I mean, it's perfect. It's just a great machine, hands down.